Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and here I am doing the final step, grooming on this basement area, lower floor on this house. And if you go back to the first video, there was a lot of stains on this carpet. They're all gone except we have a slight discoloration over here, color blue, and then you can see a slight faint where the slime was. Just a slight amount of color there, and I'm not going to push it any further than that. That's considering it was literally a solid mass of slime there, nasty stuff. So I think that's as far as we're going to go with that. And considering what this carpet looked like, nobody was expecting this carpet to turn out as well as it has. Well, of course I had my hopes, but anyway. Yeah. So we're going to do the post vacuuming on here. You can barely see that mark. So this is really looking excellent. This carpet is actually almost totally dry to the touch already. I think I would have used almost a gallon to clean this room, which is a little more than normal. But yeah, we had a lot of spots and stains to deal with. But the carpet is really looking very nice. There was a slime stain right over here somewhere. I can't actually see it. Okay, maybe I can see a slight shadow there. Virtually gone. We're talking 95% gone. Considering that slime can definitely be a permanent stain, that's really all you can hope for. That one there you can still see slightly. 90% gone. I think that they have two little girls, yeah, that live here. So this is their playroom. Oh, that reminds me of something I wanted to do here. Hang on a sec. I actually quoted them. And then we ended up not doing quite as much as we were initially going to do. I got to adjust my price a little bit. Yes, that's how I measure it, by the way. Gotta write those numbers down. And then we'll figure it out later. That's a nice looking carpet. Looks nice and clean. Nice and bright and fluffy. And dry within about an hour. Here I am vacuuming it. It has not been an hour since I was in this room cleaning it. It's that fast drying normally. There's a slight amount of moisture present, but nothing will go in the vacuum because it's not wet enough. Carpet looks phenomenal. That blue stain, oh there it is. It's still there, but very, very faint. I'll put some proxy on there. Which reminds me, I need some for upstairs. Looks like it probably will fade away. Oh yeah. Hang on a sec. Oh, I hate that when that happens. Mental note to self. Double check to make sure your top is on tight. Not the first time that's happened. This actually helps the rubber O-rings there, but still, it can still happen. So, anyway, not a big deal. Okay. So, I wanted to, I pre-sprayed the steps with a Symposia. Now I'm going to put my normal cleaner on there. I added the additional spray of the Procyon because they're pretty grubby. And so, and I decided to let it sit there while I vacuum. Now I'm going to spray and do the steps. But anyway, look how nice that looks. That looks like a new carpet. Wow. Okay, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.